What's going on, guys? I just wanted to do an install video on my bag that I was telling you about on that last video. And yeah, this is the back end without it in here. This is just stock sport yall. And yeah, I mean, this is how it comes, except for the toolbox. You know, I put that in there, and yeah, this is how we put it in. So the PVC stretcher that's on bottom is cut to fit. Is cut to fit, and so whenever you get it put back here all the way against the seat, it just kind of rests in place. So there's two straps that would go behind each headrest, so you can either lean from back here or get in your back seat and clip it into place. And there is enough room on these straps to leave enough room to where the buckle's not going to be in somebody's way. So yeah, that's it. That's installed. Simple as that. Very quick. And it's ready for your top. But yeah, that's the inside is PVC, and I don't have it glued at the moment. That's why I had to fix it. But yeah, I mean, you can glue it and make it to where it's always fixed, or you can leave it loose so that you can take it apart. But the only thing that's holding it together is we have these Velcro straps, so that if you do need to replace that piece, you can replace it easily. And say you're off on a trail ride somewhere, or off at a Jeep event, and something happens, or you throw your tools back here, or one of the kids or something manages to break that pipe, then you can just replace it. Or say you run into an event where you need to use that pipe for a multi-purpose, you can replace it. It's easy stuff. And then say you get this really dirty, you can just unhook it, slide the PVC off of it, throw it in the washing machine. When you get home, pull it back out, put the PVC back on it, good to go. Yeah, that's my bag. Thanks, guys.